inkjet printer manufacturer, you are in the center. You are speaking to the printhead manufacturer, you're speaking to the curing system manufacturer, the ink manufacturer, the electronics manufacturer, and so on. And you're trying to find a solution to your problem. Sometimes you're not able to go forward because one is pointing the finger at the other. How about we change the star problem-solving approach and move on to a cluster problem-solving approach where everybody sits on the table together? This was something that we brainstormed in our company, in Seiko, and we found is the way forward. We worked with a number of co-suppliers, the suppliers who work with you, printer manufacturers, and we asked them to provide their equipment for our laboratory. So today, a printer manufacturer can walk into our laboratory situated very close to the Frankfurt airport, and you can ask us, what setup do you want? And our engineers are not only trained with the printhead, but also with the equipment around the entire printing process. For example, the pre-process, the inks, the post-processing, like the UV lights. We have not the deepest knowledge, but we have the knowledge around it to show you a result that is working. So as a sales guy, now I can invite my customers to come to our lab to see their idea becoming a reality.
Hi, I'm Holly Steedman from IST Intech. A big part of my role is to form strategic partnerships and collaborations with other suppliers and partners in the industry. And when I first started, the first company I contacted was Seiko. Ali and I know each other for a long time from the industry. We've both been print engineers, so we're both well aware of the problems that you can face in the development of a process, a new inkjet process. So it made sense that we would form some kind of collaboration, because what I also saw was that OEMs and machine builders often didn't consider curing or the requirements of curing until the very late stages of the project, or sometimes it was even an afterthought. So I made it my goal to change that, and obviously working with Seiko, with the printhead supplier, being at the beginning of the project, at the beginning of the process development, it was really one of the optimum ways to do that, so that ultimately we could be at the beginning and help the project move forward and stop any delays at the end of the project when all of a sudden there was the question mark about how do we cure this product, or we need to improve the print quality. So since then the relationship has developed and we've taken part in the Seiko Open House, and now Seiko also have our equipment in the lab, which they can use doing their live customer testing to really pin down those requirements in the early stages and to prevent any issues in the future of the project.
So we at Seiko
and we at IST Intech are working towards bringing industrial inkjet to the next level.
And we strongly believe in the saying that if you want to walk fast, you can walk alone. But if you want to walk far, then you walk together.